Hey friends, if you wish to lock or unlock function key on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. So earlier we had this option of a function lock which was on the right panel, but now we don't have that. We have a function key which is usually at the left bottom corner of the screen or next to the control key. So when you press it once, all the function keys will be activated, and when you press it for the second time, these function keys will be deactivated. That is how it works. And in some computers you can press function key along with the numbered function keys, okay, the fn key along with the numbered function keys. So this is how it works. You can also do it from the on-screen keyboard. It is more prominent with that. For the on-screen keyboard, press windows plus control plus o. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.